Hello, beautiful humans. I lead meditative dance workshops with my sex bio, and I just wanted to talk about the potential that dance and movement has to really be a form of release and a mental wellness practice. To start sessions, I like to invite everyone to write down a few things that have been on their mind lately and they're wanting to release. And then we do some breath work and guided body meditation to drop us into the here and now and show some love to these bodies that do allow us to move. We do so nice and slowly, doing some exercises to open up our bodies and be curious and explorative in our movements. And then we move and flow, dance together in this safe and sacred, judgment free space. I remind everyone to really just be expressive and see what comes up for you. See how you can make it not only a physical release, but a mental one as well. When we're able to get out of our minds and into our bodies, it's such a beautiful experience. My name is Azul, and I hope to see you on a dance floor soon.